Hello and welcome back to the Chopbusters. Today we're diving into 20 fasteners and anchors that will absolutely blow your mind. These aren't your average screws and bolts. We're talking smart designs, hidden strength, and surprising versatility. Let's get into it. Zamac Hammer Drive. The Zamac Hammer Drive anchor is a light-duty fastener ideal for concrete, brick, block, and stone. Made with a Zamac alloy body and a carbon steel expander pin, it offers a secure, tamper-proof hold. Common uses include roof flashing, brick ties, electrical fixtures, and general maintenance. Not suitable for overhead or sustained tensile loads. This reliable anchor is priced at $13 and provides a permanent fastening solution. Commander Bits and Screws. Priced typically between $4 and $25. All fasteners, Commander Bits and Screws are designed for efficient drilling into concrete and masonry. They feature a 4-cutter tip that enables faster performance and better debris removal. Commonly used with Titan anchors, these bits ensure secure, high-strength installations. While they may not be widely available locally, suitable alternatives exist for general use. Scrooz Landscape and Construction Screws. Scrooz Landscape and Construction Screws are heavy-duty, high-performance fasteners designed for landscaping and general construction, priced at $42.25. Available in lengths up to 250 millimeters, they are suitable for all timber types, including treated timber, hardwood, and softwood. Made from case-hardened steel with a screw armor coating, they offer excellent corrosion resistance and durability for use with impact drivers and screw guns. Exterior Corrosion-Resistant Round Washer Head Wood Screw. The exterior corrosion-resistant round washer, head wood screw, priced at $56.74, is a high-performance fastener for interior and exterior use. Made from heat-treated steel with a triple-layer ACQ-compatible coating, it offers strength, durability, and weather resistance. Available in finishes like black, white, bronze, and rustburt matte black. Its deep 6-lobe star drive reduces cam out and handles double the torque of Phillips or square drive screws, extending bit life. VersaLOK. VersaLOK is a high-performance structural fastener priced at $112.12, designed for strength, speed, and easy installation. It installs faster than traditional bolts with fewer steps. The flathead offers a flush, clean finish, while the Torx tap drive system ensures strong bit engagement and reduced cam out. Compatible with Torx tap number 40 or T40 bits, VersaLOK is ACQ approved and meets ICC code standards, backed by verified engineering data. Cavity Fixings Metal Anchor. The Cavity Fixings Metal Anchor, priced at $12.66, offers a strong solution for securing items to hollow surfaces. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it features reinforced metal wings for maximum load capacity. Available in M4 by 38 mm, M5 by 52 mm, and M6 by 65 mm sizes, it's ideal for hollow walls and similar uses. The included screw has a combination head compatible with flathead and Phillips drivers, ensuring convenience and ease during installation. FIS V 360 Plus. FIS V 360 Plus is a high-performance injection mortar designed for a wide range of anchoring applications, priced at $15.54. It is approved for use in both cracked and non-cracked concrete, masonry, and specialized installations. With an ETA-certified service life of 100 years, it provides long-term reliability and safety. This mortar can also be used in water-filled drill holes, making it suitable for challenging environmental conditions. Universal Plug. The Universal Plug is a high-performance nylon anchor designed for versatile use across all substrate types, priced at $5.90. Its unique 4-way expansion and internal design ensure a strong, secure grip for screws in both solid and hollow materials. The expanding section collapses effectively in cavities, while the solid head provides installation strength. Zip Fix. Zip Fix is a fire-resistant, all-metal fixing solution designed for rapid and secure installations, priced at $36.20. It includes 2 sizes of zinc pan head machine screws to accommodate different fixture thicknesses. The fixing installs quickly, just zip and fix, and features temporary nylon arms that assist with setup but are removed afterward, leaving a fully steel, non-flammable anchor. BladeFixer. BladeFixer is a heavy-duty plasterboard fixing solution designed to support substantial loads, priced at $2.67. Capable of holding up to 246 kilograms in shear load and 80 kilograms in tension on 15mm plasterboard, it features a large fixing area that accommodates multiple screws, making it ideal for mounting heavy items like radiators, cupboards, and TV brackets. Hurricane Anchor. The Confast Hurricane Anchor kit, priced at $48.19, offers a fast, reliable storm protection anchoring solution. Suitable for concrete, block, and wood, the 1/4 inch 20 by 2 and 1/4 inch male anchors ensure strong, full-thread engagement. Installation is easy. Drill a pilot hole for masonry or drive directly into wood. No pre-drilling required. For stucco-faced surfaces, countersinking may be needed for a flush fit, making it ideal for secure, efficient storm prep. LDT Anchor. The LDT Anchor is a high-strength concrete fastener designed for reliable, easy installation, priced at $51.30. Made from hardened carbon steel with a zinc-plated grade 7 finish, it features a hex washer head with anti-rotation serrations for secure anchoring. This anchor cuts its own threads directly into concrete, eliminating the need for inserts or sleeves, and it is compatible with standard drill bits. Huck Magna. The Huck Magna Tight is a specialized aluminum rivet fastener designed for use in oversized holes and repair applications. It is particularly effective in thin or low-strength materials such as aluminum, fiberglass, and plastic, thanks to its wide blindside bulb that ensures strong, secure installation. Unlike typical bulbing blind fasteners, the Magna Tight features a unique embedded sealant between the bolt and sleeve, enhancing its sealing capabilities. Lag Shield Concrete Anchors. Lag Shield Concrete Anchors, priced at $49, are two-part expansion anchors designed for secure use with lag screws in concrete and masonry. As the screw is driven, the anchor expands for a strong hold. Precision tapered internal threads allow smooth screw insertion. Available in short and long lengths, they suit various applications. Made from zinc-plated carbon steel, these anchors provide durability and corrosion resistance for long-lasting, reliable performance. Threaded Rod Hanger. The Threaded Rod Hanger, priced at $21.06, is a high-strength Titan HD screw anchor specifically engineered for suspending threaded rods from concrete slabs, beams, or concrete over metal. Ideal for supporting pipes, cable trays, and HVAC equipment, it delivers strong performance with low installation torque and requires no secondary setting. Terracotta and Hollow Block Anchoring. All Fasteners USA offers a specialized anchoring solution for terracotta and hollow block materials using a combination of a Birdie insert and epoxy resin. This system is designed to provide a secure hold in delicate or hollow substrates where traditional anchors may fail. The umbrella insert expands behind the wall, creating a mechanical grip, while the epoxy fills the cavity to solidify the connection, enhancing load capacity and stability. Expansion Bolt. The Expansion Bolt, priced at $25.96, is a heavy-duty fastening solution from Ruwag, designed for securing heavy equipment, machinery, and structural fixtures. It provides strong anchoring in solid base materials like concrete, making it ideal for demanding industrial and construction applications where strength and reliability are critical. Huck C50L LockBolt. The Huck C50L LockBolt is a high-performance fastener engineered for heavy-duty applications that demand superior vibration resistance and long-term durability. It delivers consistently high and uniform clamp force, making it ideal for structural and industrial use. This lock bolt meets or exceeds torqued bolts in shear strength, tensile strength, and fatigue life, ensuring dependable performance under extreme conditions. Gripit, priced at $16.02, is a versatile and heavy-duty plasterboard fixing solution designed for fast and easy installation. Simply drill, knock, and turn. It is suitable for all types of plasterboard, ranging from 9 to 15 millimeters, including directly bonded and insulated walls. Capable of holding very heavy objects up to 113 kilograms without the need for extra support or slats, Gripit offers a secure, reliable hold. HBB Birdie Insert Anchor. The 1HBB Birdie insert anchor, priced at $6.60, is specifically designed for use in terracotta and hollow block applications. Its expanding umbrella mechanism provides a secure mechanical hold behind hollow or fragile surfaces, making it ideal for installations where traditional anchors may fail. Often used in combination with injection mortar for added strength, this anchor ensures reliable, long-lasting fastening in delicate or low-density materials. That's it for today's lineup of mind-blowing fasteners and anchors. If you saw something new or cool, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a build. Thanks for watching Chop Busters.